Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dinda Damayanti Fitri. I'm study at Office Administration Education, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. Today, I will present of my research proposal entitled Influence and Work Environment on Employee Loyalty at RSUD Dr. Casbul Abdul Majid, Bekasi City. My background in making this research is that I realized that companies and employees have an interdependent relationships. Employees need the companies as a place to fulfill their social needs, while companies need employees to achieve the goals they want to achieve. Loyalty is needed by a company, especially for the employee who have a very important and large contribution to a company. Sugiarto states that a company needs to ensure that every employee has high loyalty. Aware of the importance of this, the company needs to increase attention and increase effort of the maintain employee loyalty and build a sense of employee loyalty. The hospital is an institution that provides health service that must be on standby for 24 hours and must also provide constant and continuous service. Therefore, it is important for institution to ensure that employee has high loyalty. To find out more about employee loyalty, I made observations and asked questions to RSUD Dr. Casbul Abdul Majid employees. Based on these questions, it can be concluded that some of employees of RSUD Dr. Casbul Abdul Majid considers the loyalty is important to do, and some still have doubt and think that loyalty to the institutions is not important to do. A total of 60.6% of the employees of RSUD Dr. Casbul Abdul Majid are not willing to stay if the institution suffers setbacks. It shows that employee loyalty is still relatively low. After that, researchers ask questions about whether they have ever working outside working hours as a form of loyalty to the institutions where they work. A total of 39.4% of employees have never worked outside working hours as a form of loyalty to the institutions. The thing that can be reference for a person is loyal to his work and institutions is when he does his jobs. As much as 39.4% never met the maximum effort for the company's progress. Several results regarding employee loyalty, researchers are interested in studying what factors cause employees to be loyal to the institution where they work. The results show that the biggest factors that make employees loyal to the institutions is a good work environment with percentage value of 42.4% and proper compensation with a percentage value of 30.3%. Compensation and work environment are factors that dominate employee loyalty. This is the same as the results conducted by Betro Kristantoputro, which show that compensation and the work environment simultaneously affect employee loyalty. However, research conducted by Lulut Claudia et al. Show that compensation has no effect on employee loyalty and the work environment also have no effect on employee loyalty. Based on this, the researchers found that there was a research gap in the result of previously research that could be reference for the researchers to conduct further research. Based on some of the background described above, the researchers is interested in conducting research on the effect on compensation and work environment on loyalty of non-PNS employee at RSUD Dr. Casbul Abdul Majid, Bekasi City. The formulation of the problem to be discussed in this research are: first, is there an effect of compensation on the loyalty of non-PNS employees at RSUD Dr. Casbul Abdul Majid, Bekasi City? Second, is there an effect of the work environment on the loyalty of non-PNS employer at RSUD Dr. Casbul Abdul Majid, Bekasi City? And third, is there an effect of the compensation of work environment on the loyalty of non-PNS employees at RSUD Dr. Casbul Abdul Majid, Bekasi City? The purpose of this research is to determine the relationship of each variable to be studied, namely as follows. First, to find out and analyze the effect of compensation on the loyalty of non-PNS employees at RSUD Dr. Casbul Abdul Majid, Bekasi City. Second, to find out and analyze the influence of the work environment on the loyalty of non-PNS employer at RSUD Dr. Casbullah Abdul Majid, Bekasi City. Third, to find out and analyze the effect of compensation and work environment on loyalty of non-PNS employees at RSUD Dr. Casbullah Abdul Majid, Bekasi City. The benefits of this research are divided into two, namely theoretical benefit and practical benefit. The theoretical benefit in this study is expected to be able to develop and become knowledge and add insight, especially in the developing human research in the company or office related to the environment, work environment, and employee loyalty. The practical benefit for the writer is that this research can add to the knowledge and insight of the researcher and provide valuable experience for the researchers. Practical benefit for the company are useful, namely being positive information and input for companies. Practical benefit for the Jakarta State University, which can be used as reference material for the Economic Faculty Library and for Jakarta State University and can be used as a basic for further research. The practical benefit for the reader is that it can provide additional insight, knowledge, and become a reference. Practical benefit for the other researchers that can be reference and basic for further research. View of employee loyalty, according to Saidam, suggests that loyalty is the determination and ability of an employer to the company or agency to obey, implement, and practice something to be obeyed with full awareness and responsibility at work. According to Simbolon, explain that loyalty is trustiness shown by the willingness of employees to maintain and defend organizations anywhere, both inside and outside the company from irresponsible people. According to Sudiman, explains loyalty as willingness give employer by developing all ability, skill, talks, and time to participate in achieving company achievement and keeping secret and not taking action that harm the company as long as he is still an employee. From the various opinions of the expert above regarding employee loyalty, it can be concluded that loyalty is employee loyalty to the company where he works, which reflect by devoting all abilities, skills, talks, and time to achieve company goals and not taking action that are detrimental to the company as measured using indicator of obedience to regulations, responsibilities, willingness to work together, a sense of belonging, and devotions or loyalty. Literature review of compensation. According to Mondi, compensation is all the rewards obtained by employer from the company as a reward for the company's contribution to the place where he works. According to Narawi, compensation is an award or reward given by the company to workers for the contributions they make in realizing organizational goals in activity called works. According to Sastro Hadiwiryo, compensations is a reward or remuneration provided by the company to employees because the employer has contributed his energy and idea for the progress of the company in order to achieve the goal that have been set. From the various opinion of the expert above regarding compensations, it can be concluded that compensation is remunerations or compensation reserved by employer for the contributions they make to the company, both in the form of energy and talks. Compensations is usual profit in the form of salary, incentive, and some allowance. Literature review of work environment. According to Wijaya, the work environment is an area or conditions around the company experienced by employer during the work process. Everything that is around employer and experienced by employer during their work is called by work environment. According to Niti Semito, giving his opinion on work environment, he said that the work environment is everything that is around the workers and can affect them in carrying out their duties. According to Siagian, the work environment is an environment where workers do their daily works. From the various opinions of the expert above regarding the work environment, it can be concluded that the work environment is the condition around employees that are experienced by employer during the work process. Everything that involves the activities of employer is carrying out their duties and all form of interacting involved employer is the work environment, which is measured by using indicator of relations between employees, relation with leaders, and work atmosphere. Previous research that is relevant to this title is research conducted by Rina Angistiwidi with the title Study of Compensations and Work Environment on Employee Loyalty Impact Employee Performance. After that, research conducted by Anayanti Budiningsih with the title The Influence of the Compensations and the Work Environment on Loyalty, the Impact on Employee Performance at PT Yudhistira Galia Indonesia. After that, research conducted by Iwayan Sentara Putra dan Anak Agung Ayu Sriyati with the title Effect of the Work Environment, Work Stress, and Compensations on Employee Loyalty. After that, research conducted by Imade Pulawan with the title Effect of Gender, Compensations, and Work Environment on Employee Loyalty at CV Sets Collections Denpasar. And then, research conducted by I Putu Satya Swadharma and I Gusti Salit Ketut Netra with the title Compensations, Work Motivations, and Work Environment Influence Employee Loyalty at Rame Cafe Jimbaran Seafood. Hypothesis. The hypothesis is the universal answer to the existing problem and still presumptive. The hypothesis in this study can be seen in the research model in the chart. Based on the research model, the hypothesis in this study is as follows. Hypothesis 1, there is a positive influence between compensations on the employee loyalty. In the other words, better the compensation give, higher the employee loyalty. Hypothesis 2, there is a positive influence between the work environment on employee loyalty. In the other words, better the work environment, higher the employee loyalty. Hypothesis 3, there is a simultaneous influence between compensations and work environment on employee loyalty. In the other words, better the compensations and work environment, better the higher and employee loyalty. Place, time, and research method. This research was conducted at RSUD Dr. Chasbul Abdul Majid, Bekasi City, which is located on Pramuka Street, number 55, Margajaya, Bekasi City, with a period from June to December 2022. The research used quantitative research method. In its applications, quantitative research use table, figure, and graph to display the research result of the research that has been studied. Populations and sample. The populations in this study were 1,093 employees. The affordable populations in this study were employees who served in the hospital management sections, which consist of secretarial, planning, finance, medical service, nursing, and supporting health service, totaling 166 employees. The sampling technique used in this study is a proportional random sampling technique that refers to Isaac and Michael table with an error rate of 5%. Based on the calculating, it takes 114 employees to be sampled. Analysis technique. Test the quality of data using the validity test and reliability test. After that, the analysis requirement test was carried out using the normality test and linearity test. Then, the classical assumption test was carried out with the multicollinearity test and the heteroscedasticity test. Then, performance multiple linear regression test. And finally, the hypothesis test using simultaneous test, partial test, and analysis the coefficient of determinations. That's all my explanations about my research proposals. Sorry if there are any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.